friends, today I'll show you how to make a sleek, low, raw looking bun. This is so easy. I'm sure you've seen this on Instagram. So firstly, you want to smooth out your hair and create a very low ponytail. I'll leave an I button here so you can check it out to see how I'm making my sleek low ponytail. I also like to use the tail of my comb to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Now, I'll suggest you to use some cream or gel depending on what you have. You can also mix some oil with gel or oil with smoothing cream. It will work perfectly as well too. Divide your ponytail into two equal sections. Now make sure to smooth out these two sections. Now grabbing one of those, you want to twist it to opposite side and bring it up like I'm showing, creating a C shape like that, leaving the ends out and fixing it in place like that. Now you want to use two bobby pins to fix it well in place, and here I'll suggest you to use bobby pins as this will hold in place your construction. Now you want to grab your second section, incorporate the ends of your first section, twist it over your ponytail, and the same way repeating the first C shape of our bun. And you want to use some bobby pins and grips to fix it well in place. Grabbing the ends, you want to simply twist it like I'm showing. I like to use a clear elastic for the ends, so I'll make sure that my bobby pin will fix in place these ends. Then to hide the rest of the ends below the clear elastic, I'll use some grips and hide it. Use some hairspray if needed. As you're making your bun, guys, you feel like it's a little messy, you want to undo it and remake it. Trust me, it will save more time than trying to make it polished. I'll suggest you to try it and repeat the steps like I'm showing. Did you like it? Let me know please in comments down below. That's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!